Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Guys, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Turn on your cameras first. Everyone. Aravind ji. Guys. Okay, why people are not joining here? Yeah. Guys, today I'm going to discuss a couple of points which is very important for your tomorrow's exam, math test. Alright. So tomorrow's paper will be somewhat tomorrow in tomorrow's exam you will be getting only 15 questions, which is for 60 marks. 15 for 60 marks. Maximum marks would be for 60. So 1 hour test. So you must make all the questions. So easy questions, and you just make sure that you guys are preparing basics, like how to solve. We'll discuss couple of important formulas, trigonometry formulas. Okay, so let us discuss all the trigonometry formulas now.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, when is the timing, sir?
Tomorrow test would start from 5 o'clock, evening 5 o'clock. So by this time it will start, and test is going to wind up at 9 o'clock. So you have just 4 hours of time to finish your test. This is the punishment which I have given to you. Last week you didn't, attempt the test actually. So I do not know why. What did you do, guys? But this week I know I'm just gonna give a 4 hours of time to finish your test. So test will gonna start at 5 o'clock and gonna wind up at 9 o'clock. So in between these 4 hours, you must finish your test. So 1 hour test you can write anywhere. All right. I would request you all to finish in the evening itself. Before 7 o'clock, you just write either 5 to 6 or 6 to 7. That would be better. In the late night after dinner, if you write means you won't get any ideas to solve the questions. Simply you will feel sleepy. Straight away you will go for now itself. Arvind Raja is getting sleep. He's doing like that. सी दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस. ठीक है, समझ रहे हैं. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ आपसे, थोड़ा कलर कलर हेडफोन लगा के बढ़िया बैठे दोनों भाई भाई. हाँ, चलो ठीक है भाई. ये कहाँ गया भाई, 1 मिनट बाद. चलो, नाउ गाइस विल डिस्कस कपल ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फॉर्मुलास. सो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड Arvind, till what we have discussed? Arvind ji, till what we have discussed, man.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
I'm asking till what we have discussed. Laughing. He doesn't know that. He's just.
Sir, I wrote in some other book, sir. But the date is not. I'm unable to find the date, sir.
अच्छा.
Sir, really, sir.
Really
Sir,
artificially.
that day my tab charging was also it was less, sir, 10% only, sir.
So that is the reason.
Sir,
Otherwise,
not.
otherwise you would have told the answer correctly.
Yes, sir. Sir, but that is not the exact reason, sir. That is also one of the.
Okay, बेटा. Okay. चलता है. चलो ठीक है.
Sir, but I listened the class through Amrut's device, sir. I saw the recording also later.
Very good. Fantastic. सही है. So guys, we'll discuss trigonometry formulas. Guys, these only 3 members have joined. Chalo, let me share the screen. Guys, first we'll talk about formulas. Okay. And how many of you started solving your exercise problems? Guys, can you see your photos on screen?
Yes, sir.
Can you see your photos? I mean, photos in the sense on my screen.
No, sir.
Like our videos on our own screen.
Not in your own screen. You will be able to see yourself, ma. I
Yes, sir.
on my screen, can you able to see this white color screen? On your white color screen, can you able to see your photos?
No, sir.
That is what I am asking. On your screen, you only you will be visible, yourself. I know that. You can see your photos. Your videos will be turned on over there. I know that. Look at this trigonometry. In trigonometry, basically, we'll be discussing trigonometry formulas in this session. We have discussed already a couple of concepts. I hope you might have gone through that. So the first formula, which is very important for your trigonometry, guys, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. This is one formula, and one more formula is what? In this is in terms of sine and cos. If I ask you to tell the formula of sine 2a in terms of tan, what is going to be my function? Tan 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. All right. The second formula is going to be cos 2a. Cos 2a formula is what? First formula is cos square a minus sin square a. All right. Second formula is what? 2 cos square a minus 1. Guys, here look at this here, sine 2a. I can write sine 2 theta as well, right? In terms of a, I am writing here. A means what here? Angle a. All right. Sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta as well. All right. In terms of theta, if I write so, this is my formula. In terms of a, in terms of angle a, if I write so, this is my formula. I am writing in terms of a. Clear? All right. So you can just convert that. In place of a, you can substitute theta as well, guys. Don't get confused. All right. So cos 2a formula is what? Cos square a minus sin square a. Very important formula for tomorrow's exam. So I hope I will, I just request you to turn on your cameras as well as you please go through these formulas. 2 cos square a minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square a, 1 minus 2 sin square a. So 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. All right. So 4 formulas we have for cos 2a. So if I ask you to tell the cos 2a formula in terms of tan, what you should tell? This is your formula. 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. If I ask you to tell sin 2a formula in terms of tan, then you should tell 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. If I ask you to tell the formula of cos 2a in terms of sin and cos, what is the formula, Arvind?
Sir,
If I ask you to tell what is cos 2a formula in terms of sin and cos,
cos
what is
2a.
cos 2a formula in terms of cos and sin function?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Hooray, Babu, Tambi, I'm writing on the screen, da Tambi. I just asking you to look at the screen and tell the answer. Sir, I don't know, sir. Ennada Babu de. Look at the screen, man. Look at the screen. Can you able to see the screen? No, sir.
Yes, sir, I can see, sir.
I'm asking you to tell the what is the formula of cos 2a in terms of sin
One
and cos.
sine means 1 minus 2 sin square a. That's one answer.
Huh? Okay. Tell me, correct only. Tell me.
Then in cos means 2 cos square a minus 1.
Huh. If I ask you to tell me the formula of cos 2a in terms of sin and cos both,
Then
together,
both is tan.
tan, where from where tan is coming? I'm
Sir,
asking
because
in terms of sin and cos both, man, then this is a formula. If I ask you only in terms of cos, this is a formula. If I ask you only in terms of sin, this is a formula. If I ask you in terms of tan, this is a formula. Clear?
yes, sir.
Now Tanvi will tell me the answer. Tanvi, you tell me sin 2a formula in terms of tan. You turn on your camera. Anjali ji, tell me the formula of sin 2a in terms of tan. पता नहीं सर, मुझे मालूम नहीं सर, ऐसा मत बोलना बेटा. हाँ, tell me. These are the formulas, ma. Look at it. These 2 formulas for sin 2a. These 4 formulas for these 4 formulas for cos 2a. Understood? Any doubt? Tanviji, I'm asking you what is the formula for sin 2a in terms of tan? Are you here? Are you here? Are you here? Even I hear, sir, I won't talk. I won't speak. सर मैंने बात नहीं करने वाली हूँ, मैंने आंसर नहीं देने वाली हूँ. क्यों? अंजलि, टेल मी द आंसर. What is the formula of sine 2a in terms of tan? Just now I told. No one is listening in the class. ये formula होता है. These are the formulas, guys. Look at this. Sine 2a can be written as this one, and this one, this one, this one. You can write any formula for cos 2a. That is going to be correct. All right. Depends on the
Sir,
question.
you asked for tan, right?
In terms of tan.
So 1 by tan square A by 1 plus tan square A.
Sin 2a, not
Oh,
cos 2a. In terms of sin 2a formula in terms of tan.
okay, sir. So 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A.
Look at this. Tan 2a. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. All right. So 2 tan a divided by, look at this, is sin 2a formula in terms of tan is what? 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Look at this tan 2a formula. Tan 2a formula is what? 1 minus tan square a. Same formula but only plus minus change. Clear? Next, we'll learn now what is sin 3a formula. Sir, just now we have learnt what is sin 2a. Now we'll be learning sin 3a. Sin 3a. What is the formula for sin 3a? Look at this. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Guys, whatever the formulas I just told you to learn, very important. In last class we have discussed identities, right? Trigonometry identities. Trigonometry identities. Tell me, Arvind, tell me what are the identities we have in trigonometry?
Sir, sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1.
Arvind, Amrud, you tell me the answer.
Sir, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
Okay.
Sir?
Only one identity.
No, sir, no, sir. And tan square A is equal to 1 minus secant square A. Cot square A.
Minus secant square a is equal to tan square a.
No, sir.
Hmm.
No, sir.
என்ன சார் then?
Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equal to 1.
Now Arvind will tell the same formulas again. Tell me, Arvind, what are the identities?
Sir, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, then 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sine square theta, sec square theta. Then 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta.
1 plus cot square theta is equal to
Cot square, sir, cot square.
1 plus cot square theta is equal to
Cosec square theta.
secant square theta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to what?
Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, sir.
Yes. So those trigonometry identities and the formulas whichever we are going through right now, very important. All right. Look at sin 2a formula, what I told you, sin 2 sin a cos a, and 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Okay, 1 plus tan square a. 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Now sin 3a formula is what? 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a formula is what? 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. These are the two formulas. Clear? Okay, next. Tan 3a formula is what? Tan 3a formula is what? Three tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A. All right, next seventh formula. Simply, if I ask you to write simply, sin A formula. Sin 2A we have learned. Sin 3A we have learned. Now we are learning sin A formula is what? Sin A formula simply. Sin A formula is what? 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 is equal to this can written as what? Same thing. 2 tan A by 2 in terms of tan, if I ask you to write 1 plus tan square A by 2. Alright. If I ask you to write cos A formula, so 1 minus tan square A by 2 plus 1 plus tan square A by 2. Alright. So ninth formula, 1 minus cos A can be written as 2 sin square A by 2. Alright, 1 minus cos A can be written as 2 sin square A by 2. So 10 to 1, 1 plus cos A can be written as 2 cos square A by 2. Very important formula. Next, 11 to 1. So 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A can be written as tan square A by 2. Tan square A by 2. Alright. So 12th one. So sin A by 2 plus cos A by 2 is equal plus or minus square root of 1 plus sin A, and 13th one is what? If I ask you to write sin A by 2 minus cos A by 2, which is going to become plus or minus 1 minus sin A. So these formulas. Understand, guys? These are the very important formulas for your. Uh, so sin A by 2 plus cos A by 2 formula is what? Plus or minus square root of 1 plus sin A. Sin A by 2 minus cos A by 2 formula is what? Plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin A. So very guys, look at this. After going home, please revise these formulas. Now one more formula. I mean like few more formulas. Look at this. Now let us talk about couple of formulas. Look at this. Sin A plus B formula. He will give you two angles. Like let us say sin 180 I'm writing. Right? I'll ask you to write sin, let us say 150 plus 30. So here sin A is 50, sorry, A is 50, B is 30. So you can split like that and write it out. Right? So for that kind of, for solving that kind of question, this this formula is going to be useful. Aravind, Amrut, I request you to listen the class. You are looking somewhere else. Tanviji, turn on your camera or else go out of the class. All right. So sin A plus B is equal to what? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. All right. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So next 15th one. 15th one. Sin A minus B is going to be sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Both are same formulas. Plus means plus will come, minus means minus will come. Very important. Very, very important. Now let us learn cos A plus B formula. Cos A plus B formula is what? Cos A plus B formula is what? Let us see that. अरे क्या हो रहा है? Aravind ji, do you want to turn on your camera or not? Or else you are welcome. You are just, I request. I gave a permission grantedly that you can leave the class if you are not interested, if you are not going to turn on your camera. So cos ability formula is what here? Cos A into cos B. Here plus means I should write minus here. Minus sin A into sin B. All right. Look at this here. Here, Abhinay is joining now. Sin B. So 17th one. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A into sin B. All right. Guys, look at this here. So here minus means you should write plus here. In cos it will be ulta. In cos it will be reverse. These formulas are very important, guys. Very important. Very important. Let me put a star mark. So which is very important for all chapters, not only trigonometry, guys, for everywhere. Everywhere these formulas are useful. Let me tell you the formulas which are really very important. Which are really very important. I put star mark. I'm putting star mark, right? Those are very important, guys. Very important. Look at this. These two. These formulas. And whichever, wherever I'm giving a star mark, very important. All are very important. All are very important. But star mark are special ones. Very important. Both important. Okay. Sir, you give star mark for everyone and saying that very important. सभी important है, उसीलिए तो लिखवा रहा है. तन्वी जी समझ में आ रहा है आपको? आ रहा है? तो बात करने में क्या दिक्कत क्या हो रहा है? ऐसा क्यों हिला रहे हैं?
सर आ रहा है समझ में.
हाँ, तो मैंने पूछ रहा हूँ तो क्वेश्चन उसका जवाब क्यों नहीं दे रही हो? डोंट नो. पता नहीं सर, पता नहीं. हाँ, प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
Sir, in between I'm not like able to hear, so that's it. I got disconnected also earlier because of that.
इस वक्त आपने बोलना चाहिए सर आई एम नॉट इन ए पोजीशन टू हियर यू, सो कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट अगेन व्हाट एवर यू हैव टॉट सो फॉर, कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट अगेन. ऐसा आपने पूछ रही हो तो मुझे समझ में आता है कि अरे यार बच्चा, अरे बच्चे लोग नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, बच्चों को थोड़ा सुनाई नहीं दे रहा उसको, तो मैंने मेरे टेक्निकल इशू, अरे मेरे तरफ से कोई टेक्निकल इशू है तो मैंने सॉर्ट आउट कर लूंगा. आपके तरफ से जो भी है टेक्निकल इशू तो आप लोग सॉर्ट आउट कर लेंगे, ठीक है. मैंने उसी लिए बोल रहा हूँ. तो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल you guys to turn on your camera. Anjali, Abhinaya is not turning on your camera. You are.
Sir, my laptop got switched off, so I'm using another device. This device, it's a tablet, so it doesn't have a camera.
Oh, ठीक है. Guys, look at this. Abhinaya has joined now. Abhinaya, don't worry. I'll be sharing these notes. You can copy. So I'm just writing the formulas. Whatever the formulas we have gone through now, very important for tomorrow's exam. So we are discussing couple of formulas here. The formulas whichever I'm giving you very important for not only trigonometry, for all chapters. Wherever you go, trigonometry formulas will be coming behind you. Where are you guys? I'm coming backward to you. Very important. I'm going to participate in each and every chapter. That's how the trigonometry is going to speak to you. So trigonometry formulas are very important. How trigonometry is going to speak to you? Trigonometry speaks to you that Aravind ji, Amrutji, I'm coming behind you. So you have to remember me. Wherever you go, I call trigonometry. I'm going to play a major role in each and every chapter. So you must remember me, Arvindji. Like that, trigonometry is going to talk to you. Trigonometry formulas, sorry. So trigonometry formulas are that much important. Everywhere, not only. If you take matrices, next year, if you take differentiation, if you take limits, if you take integration, if you take quadratic, wherever you see, guys, trigonometry formulas are very important. Not only for trigonometry, for all mathematics, for 11th and 12th, all chapters, trigonometry formulas are important. ये फॉर्मूला ने कहाँ भी घुस जाता है, ठीक है. हम लोग अभी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री लिमिट्स एंड कंटिन्यूटी सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, तो लिमिट्स एंड कंटिन्यूटी सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो उधर भी घुस जाएंगे, ये प्रॉब्लम इतना डेंजर है, समझ रहे हैं? तो इसीलिए मैंने बोल रहा हूँ सब ने ये फॉर्मूला thoroughly होना चाहिए, यू हैव टू बी सो thorough with this formula, clear? So mainly the star mark, wherever I'm giving the star mark, those are very important for solving your JEE questions, clear? चलो अभी देखते हैं दूसरा अगला वाला फॉर्मूला। अभी देखो बेटा tan a प्लस बी का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, इसका भी स्टार मार्क 18 और 18 तो इसको भी स्टार लगाओ, ब्लैक कलर स्टार, tan a प्लस बी इज इक्वल tan a प्लस tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So 19 to 1 tan a minus b का फॉर्मूला क्वाइट अपोजिट टू दिस, एवरीथिंग इज सेम, जस्ट प्लस के जगह माइनस रखना, माइनस के जगह प्लस रखना। देखो अभी क्या लिखेंगे, देखो tan a, इधर प्लस था ना, here I will be writing minus, in denominator we had plus, right? Minus, right? I will be writing plus now। आ रहा है समझ? थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस होता है बस, you have to be so careful with this formula, every formula is same almost, like look at this, if you know sin a plus b, then sin a minus b formula is very easy, sin a cos b प्लस, इधर प्लस है तो प्लस आ रहा है, माइनस है तो माइनस आ रहा है, देखो मगर ये कॉस में देखो अगर प्लस है तो माइनस आ रहा है, माइनस है तो प्लस आ रहा है, कॉस में थोड़ा उल्टा रिवर्स रहेगा, मगर इधर देखो cos a cos b, इधर sin a sin b साथ में आएगा, cos cos दोनों भाई साथ में आएगा, लाइक अमरूद एंड अरविंद, समझ रहे हैं? एंड साइन साइन फंक्शन दोनों भाई भाई साथ आएगा, ठीक है, समझ रहे हैं ना? साइन फंक्शंस एंड कॉस फंक्शंस विल कम टुगेदर इन cos a plus b एंड cos a minus b। इन tan a plus b क्या होगा, tan a plus b सब भाई भाई सामने एक साथ में ही आएगा, ठीक है, एवरीवन विल कम टुगेदर, लोग tan a plus tan b डिवाइडेड बाय 1 minus tan a tan b, इधर प्लस माइनस होगा, न्यूमरेटर में प्लस डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस, इधर न्यूमरेटर में प्लस डिनोमिनेटर में, सॉरी न्यूमरेटर में माइनस डिनोमिनेटर में प्लस, उल्टा, देखो इधर समझ रहे हैं ना, इधर प्लस है तो इधर माइनस है, अगर इधर माइनस है तो इधर प्लस है, ऑल्टरनेट सिंबल होगा, थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए, मैंने याद रखने का तरीका बता रहा हूँ, तो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, नो नीड ऑफ, no one is going to ask you to tell that what is the tan a plus b formula in your exam, but whenever you are solving a question, in between solving the questions, if you know this formula, if you apply this formula, so your calculation is going to become very easy and you're going to get your answers quickly. So that is what the major application to learn all these formulas. I would request you to learn all these formulas within 2 days. So for tomorrow's exam, these formulas might be helpful. Clear? Very important. Chalo, next 20th formula. Now sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Formula is what? Sin square a minus sin square b and cos square b minus sin, sorry, cos square a. Cos square b minus cos square a. Both are same formulas. समझ रहे हैं? सेम फॉर्मूला मतलब sin a plus b into sin a minus b मतलब this formula, sin a plus b into sin a minus b मतलब this formula. Everything is same. Clear children? 21. अभी देखेंगे cos a plus b into cos a minus b. ठीक है? I'm just reading these formulas in a comic way so that you will be remembering in a easy way. Okay? ठीक है? तो cos square a minus उल्टा है, here you will be getting one cos function and one sin function, दोनों सेम ही है, ठीक है, और cos square b minus sin square a, ठीक है, these two will be equal only guys, look at this, now if you are not understanding this one, you can write like this can be written as cos square b minus cos square a here, clear? So this and this will be equal and these two together will be equal to this one, this will be equal to this one, this will be equal to this one, Clear? Next. So these are the formulas which is required for your tomorrow's exam. And one more thing we'll discuss. We'll discuss one by one now. Very important. Angles. Sir, we know that sine 30, sine 0, I know. What is sine 0? Anjali? What is sine 0?
0, sir.
Ah, look at this now. Sine 0, I know that, which is 0. Sine 30, I know that. Sine 30, I know that 1 by 2. Sir, what is sine 15 then? Sine 15 is what? Don't tell me that sine 0 is 0, sir. So sine 15 is also 15, sir. Don't tell me that. So sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. Now what is sine 15? Sine 30 is 1 by 2 means sine 15 how much? Half of this.
Half of 1 by 2.
I know that 1 by 2 divided by 2 means 1 by 4. Wrong answer. If you write this so, what will happen? Wrong answer. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? Wrong answer. That is absolutely wrong, guys. Don't tell me, if 50 is half of 30 only, no sir. Then 1 by 2, half is what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is answer. No, guys, no. Let me tell you what is that. I'm going to teach you the beautiful results now. Very important. So let us write a function here. Let us write a note. Here write function. Here 15 degrees and you write 17 degrees, 75 degrees. If you know these two things, everything is very easy. Everything is very easy. Look at this.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, we can write sine 15 as sine 45 minus 30, which will be in the form sine A minus B. And then we can.
Yes. Wow, such a great idea he has given. Well, let us see that. Let us see. I hope you, I understood your doubt. So what? Sine 15, no? Sine 15, Amrut is saying to write 45 minus 30. अरे यार 45 माइनस थीटा कहाँ से आ गया आपको? मैंने क्वाड्रेंट सिस्टम में बताया था क्या? Did I tell you 45 minus theta is there? 0 I told you, 90 I told you, 180 I told you, 270 I told you, 360 I told you. Where is the 45? 90 minus is first quadrant, 90 plus is second quadrant, 90 minus is first quadrant, second quadrant, 90 plus is third quadrant, 270 minus third quadrant, 270 plus fourth quadrant, 360 minus fourth quadrant, 360 plus first quadrant. So this is what I told you. Apart from this, I didn't tell you anything. Then how would you write 45? It's not possible. All right.
Okay, sir.
Look at this now. Here we'll write sine function, cos function, tan function. Sin 15 आंसर होता है जी √3 minus 1 divided by 2 √2. समझ में आ रहा है? cos 15 का आंसर होता है जी √3 plus 1 divided by 2 √2. इधर इसका आंसर, अरे ये तो थोड़ा छोटा हो गया. चलो ठीक है. tan होता है जी √3 minus 1 all divided by √3 plus excuse me. ठीक है. हाँ. Then cos sin 75 is what? √3 plus 1 divided by 2 √2. सेम एवरीवेयर, सेम ओनली हियर. घुमा घुमा के वही सेम ही लिख रहा है यार. इधर से उधर से इधर लगा, सेम ही लिखा है. लेट अस सी हाउ. हाँ, लुक एट दिस हियर. इधर sin 15 का वैल्यू क्या होता है? √3 minus 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. cos 15 क्या होता है? सेम, मगर इधर माइनस के जगह में प्लस लिखना, बस सेम. राइट. tan का क्या होता है? √3 minus 1 डिवाइडेड बाय √3 plus 1. ठीक है, ये दोनों सेम ही है. देखो दिस टू आर इक्वल. Here I have minus, in the denominator plus. Here in the numerator I have plus, in the denominator minus. Ulta. I'm just changing the signs alone. So tan 75 how much? Root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1. So now sin 75 तो ये हो गया. देखो cos 75 क्या होता है? Cos 75 ये हो गया. How? Ulta. Look at this here. These two will be equal. These two will be equal. Look at this now. And these two will be equal. A zigzag manner. Understand? So sin 15 and cos 75 both are equal. Cos 15 and sin 75 both are equal. Look at this. Understand, children? How? I'm just telling you the shortcut how to remember that. Clear? Now let me show that how it is coming. Look at this now. Let us say now sin 75. I'm asking you to write 775. Now sin 75 can be written as what? 90 minus 15. Yes or no? Can I write 90 minus 15? 90 minus theta which quadrant? 90 minus theta कौन सा quadrant है? First quadrant. First quadrant. So here I'm talking about 90. So 90 means sin will become cos. 90 minus theta first quadrant. First quadrant everyone is positive. So positive cos 15. Cos 15 answer what I know that here? Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So now sin 75 answer is what? Look at this sin 75 answer. यही मिला है कि नहीं? Same answer am I getting? So what you understand from this? So no need of remembering this 75. If you know this 15, 75 is very easy. Understand? Understand? If you know only 15 degree, sin 15, cos 15, tan 15. If you know these three, you can write simply, you can calculate it. Sin 75 you can calculate. Cos 75 you can calculate, tan 75 you can calculate. But क्या हो रहा है यार, याद करने में फिर से कहाँ से कैलकुलेट करने के, याद रख लेंगे ना. देखो 15 है 75 है, तो इफ यू नो दीज थ्री वैल्यूज देन ये तो फिर इधर आ जाएगा, ये तो फिर इधर आ जाएगा. अगर ये तो हम लोग बड़ी बात नहीं है याद रखने में. साइंस एक्सचेंज कर देना है बस, साइन एक्सचेंज कर देंगे तो हो गया. tan 75 एंड cos tan 75 एंड tan 15. आ रहा है समझ? कोई डाउट है इधर? कोई दिक्कत आ रही है समझने में? कोई दिक्कत आ रही है याद करने में? You just revise it guys. These formulas are going to be very important. Now I'll ask you to solve a simple question. I'll ask you to do now what is tan 22 degrees. Let us say that. Let us calculate some tan 22 degrees. All right. Tan 22 degrees means what? Tan 22 degrees means what? Tan 22 half मतलब कितना होता है? 22 half है ना. ये कितना है भाई? 22 half 22.5 मीन 22 हाफ. 45/2. 45 में 2 करेंगे तो 22 हाफ ही आएगा ना. अरे भाई देखो 45 को 2 से डिवाइड, 2 2 जा 4, 5 कैरी अगेन 2 2 जा 4, 1 रिमाइंडर. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज दिस वे. देखो पहला विल बी राइटिंग क्वोशिएंट, आफ्टर द रिमाइंडर, आफ्टर दैट डिवाइजर. तो 22 हाफ. कोई तो आ रहा है समझ बेटा? आ रहा है ना समझ? हाँ.
Yes, sir.
22 हाफ. So now 45/2 can be written. It can be written as 45/2. So tan 45/2 can be written as how? बताइए. Tan 45/2 can be written as sin 45/2 by cos 45/2. Yes or no? अपने आप फॉर्मूला लगा के कर सकते हो. ठीक है. I am not gonna teach more than this. Why? Because this kind of questions might come in your tomorrow's exam. I am not gonna reveal. Suspense. We'll discuss in your paper discussion period. Okay, not now. So that's all. चलो अभी देखेंगे. Guys, any doubts here?
No, sir.
Now, just now Arvind told that, sir, let me tell you what is the reason. Let me tell you the proof. Now, sin 75 can be written as how? Sin 75 can be written as how? Sin 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. This is the question, beta. Sir, just now you told that. I didn't tell you by using quadrant system, I cannot, by using quadrant system, it is not possible. But one thing possible here. What is that? One thing possible. I told you sin A plus B formula. Can we apply sin A plus B formula? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. इधर A का वैल्यू क्या है? What is the value of A? 45. What is the value of B? 30 degrees. In place of A, you substitute 45. B in place of B, you substitute 30. So look at the sin. A is what? 45 degrees. B is what? 30 degrees. So sin A मतलब 45. Sin 45 into cos 30 plus cos 45 degrees into sin 30 degrees. So cos 45 how much beta? 1 by root 2. Yes or no? Cos 30 how much beta? Root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Cos 45 how much beta? 1 by root 2. Sin 30 how much beta? 1 by 2. Now we calculate this. Calculate this now. Look at this. Root 3 by 2 root 2. Multiply this. 1 by 2 root 2. अरे यार सेम डिनोमिनेटर है तो क्या करेंगे 1 प्लस और 3 रूट 3 प्लस 1 by 2 रूट 2. ये हो गया हमारा क्या क्या व्हाट इज दिस आंसर sin 75 डिग्रीज. दिस इज अ प्रूफ. दिस इज अ प्रूफ. क्लियर? समझ रहे हैं? दिस इज हाउ वी आर गेटिंग ऑल दिस. sin 75 degrees how much now? Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Look at this here. Sin 75. Tell me whether it is correct or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That's all. So guys, if you know sin 15, cos 15, if you know sin 15 and cos 15 and tan 15 and sin 75, cos 75 and tan 75, both simple. समझ रहे हैं? Any doubt? Any doubt, children? कोई doubt यहाँ?
No, sir.
हाँ. So now, if I give you one thing like something like that, summation of tan A and tan B. What is the meaning of this? So what is the meaning of summation? You tell me first. What is the meaning of this? If I ask you to write, guys, for suppose x is equal to 1 to 10, x is equal to 1 to 10, and x belongs to natural numbers. Find sum of first 10 numbers. I'm just telling you simply in word. So 1 to 10. Find the sum of. See here. What is the denotation of this? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? This is the meaning of that. Find. I'm just telling you sum of first 10 numbers. 1 to 10 numbers. I have to find sum. Instead of writing this big sentence, I can simply denote this. This is what summation. Summation means x is equal to 1 to 10. If I write this, so what it denotes? It denotes I have to add 10 numbers together. Like this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. I have to add this together. So that is the meaning of this one. All right. Simply in normal language, how are you supposed to call this as? Find the sum of first 10 numbers. First 10 natural numbers. Here I'm telling x is equal to n, right? X belongs to n means natural numbers only I'm taking. So I'll ask you to find the sum of first 10 natural number means then only I'll be able to understand. Simply if I give like this, you won't be able to understand. So this is a shortcut way. This is a shortcut way to write, to represent, to identify that. Clear? So what is the meaning of this? So in tomorrow's exam also you might come, you might get this kind of question basically. So summation of I is equal to 1 to n and sin I or whatever a is equal to 1 to you will get n. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, something you might get. So you suppose I'm not going to reveal the question actually. you have to look at the question paper in tomorrow's exam and solve it. Okay, guys. So about the today's class. So let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.
Thank you.